Hello all, welcome to MA 222 OL5 in the spring 2026 semester. In this video, I'm going to give you the brief introduction to our Brightspace course, and also we're going to go over other important course-related contents. So first of all, you log into the Brightspace. So all the course content has been uploaded and then created in our Brightspace course. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over the syllabus, textbook, and the formula sheet. So click on the link. Now, first of all, let's click on the syllabus. Okay. And this PDF file, so you can download that. And let's open the syllabus. So this is the MA 222 OL5 statistical analysis. This is a fully online class in spring 2026. And my name here, my email address. So feel free to email me throughout the semester if you encounter difficulty or you need assistance. And this is statistical analysis, MA 222. Has 3 credits. So the course description. In this course, we're going to cover some major topics in basic probability theory, random variables, measure of the center variations, probability distribution, binomial distribution, normal distribution, central limit theorem, sampling distribution, estimation theory with the confidence intervals, hypothesis testing, and correlation regression. Right. So all the outline of all the topics we're going to cover: chapter 1, intro to stats; chapter 2, organizing and analyzing data; chapter 3, measure of center variations; chapter 4, probability; chapter 5, discrete probability distribution; chapter 6, normal distribution, central limit theorem; chapter 7, confidence intervals; chapter 8, hypothesis testing; chapter 10, regression and correlation. It's consistent with the textbook I posted in our Brightspace course. We'll get to that in a second. So the mandatory course material is the course ID, which is 96753. So now if you copy that, right, and then go back to our Brightspace course, go to course home, and you can click on this Lumen Home platform. And this is open source platform, so it's free for all of you guys. So you just click on that. You're going to be directed to this Lumen Learning OHM, Online Learning Managers, and then you click on Enroll in a new course. Now, all you have to do is either paste the course ID or type in the course ID here, which is 96753, and then leave the enrollment key blank and click on Enroll. You should be able to see our course Spring 2026, MA 222 OL5, fully online, intro to statistical analysis. Right? And then teacher's name is my name, that's good. And then enroll. And here, most of you guys probably don't have an account yet. So you need to create an account, new to OHM, sign up, put in the username, password, confirm password, first name, last name, email address, and then also check you can use your personal email or the FIT email, whichever is more convenient, and check both boxes, click on submit. So your account has been created, and then you can just click on login. Okay. Go back to home, and you'll be able to see our course right here. It should be spring 2026, MA 222. Click on that. So all the home assignments, quizzes, as well as the midterm finals have been created in our home platform. You just need to follow the due date closely. So in the first week of the semester, you're going to need to complete orientation homework. It's due by Sunday, February 1st. And basically just a very basic, right? Just shows you get familiar with the homework platform. Just very simple, multiple choice questions. And yeah, also there's embedded calculator here, so you don't have to purchase the actual calculator. You can basically use this embedded calculator for home assignments, quizzes, midterm, and finals. And it's pretty user friendly, good for the semester. And if you go back to our course, you can see each chapter we have a homework and a quiz. They are due on the same date. Chapter 1 is due on the Sunday, February 8th. Right? So if you successfully complete the homework assignments, you're ready for the quiz. And then all of this, all the way up to chapter 5, that's going to be the basis for the midterm. So midterm will cover chapter 1 to chapter 5. Also create a practice midterm exam to help you, study for the actual midterm. And then you basically just complete the midterm before Sunday, March 15th. And usually you're allowed to take the midterm twice. The highest score will be counted. And for the practice midterm, is not counted towards the final course grade. But it's very useful to prepare for the actual midterm. And after the midterm, you need to complete 4 more chapters, chapter 6, 7, 8, and 10. And then after that, you take the final exam. You need to complete it by May 17th, Sunday, May 17th. So that's basically everything in our homework platform. Again, for most of the homework assignments, you can try multiple times, and then the high score will be counted. Also, if you plan to finish the entire coursework workload a little bit earlier, feel free to do that. There's no restriction on how fast you can complete the coursework. Right? If you finish everything within 2 months, that's totally fine with me. Okay. That's our homework platform. Let's go back to our syllabus. And basically, I put the course link, the homework link here as well. And it's open source homework platform, so it's totally free for you guys. And also you need scientific calculator, that's embedded one that works. You guys know how to use Microsoft Excel. If you want to use the Microsoft Excel to complete your homework, quizzes, and midterm finals, feel free to do that as well. I recommend a couple books. Essential Statistics by Mario Chioda. Also, there's an open source textbook called Introductory Business Statistics by OpenStax. And I post both textbook under the same icon here, syllabus, textbook, and the formula sheet. And they are both PDF file, and feel free to read them at your early convenience. I also put a formula sheet here, and you're allowed to use a formula sheet for all assignments. Right? It's organized by the chapters, chapter 3, and starting on chapter 3, you have formulas, and just follow this closely. Right? And I recorded on a lecture video as a PowerPoint. You guys can follow that and learn the content and go back to the platform to complete all the coursework. There are a couple important table here. One of them is called C table, table for normal distribution, and also there are a couple pages here, and also the T table, table 3. That's for the T distribution. And you're going to need that starting in chapter 6. Okay, that's a formula sheet. And grade distribution homework is worth 40%. Quizzes are worth 20%. Midterm and final is worth 20% apiece. And I'll follow the grading policy from the registrar office at the FIT. So this is basically what you're going to earn based on different percentiles So let's follow this closely. And if you register with this feedable office, you can just send me an email, and I will provide a proper recommendation for you. And also, there's a policy on plagiarism, academic integrity statement. So in our course, it's fully online course. So you need to complete all quizzes, midterm and final by yourself without outside help. You cannot ask a friend to help you or hire anyone to do the work for you. But you can seek help on the assignments, right? Homework assignments. Right? You can use the free tutoring service in our main Dubinsky Student Center, A608B, mini tutoring service. And also technical support. If you need technical support, you can there's an online support service, help desk. You can use them or call them if you need help access the Brightspace course or any course contents, etc. In general, please contact Academic Skills Tutoring Center Tutoring Service if you need help on your homework assignments, right? Only for the homework assignments. And then you need to complete all the coursework on time. Please email me if you have any question or encounter any difficulty throughout the semester. And since this is fully online class, we do not have weekly meeting. So that's the first ticket item in our Brightspace course. Secondly, I created a course guide, which is this. And in the course guide, basically it's a summary of what you need to do throughout the semester together with the due date. Again, you can just download the file, this PDF file, and open that. You can take a look at it together. And so that the summary page of what you are expected for the semester. And chapter 1, homework, due date, quiz due date, and the due date for the midterm, March 15th. You can start working on it on March 9th. You have 1 week to complete it. And same thing for the final exam. It covers chapter 6 and 10. And you can start working on it on May 11th. It's due on May 17th. That's basically, but the thing is, for midterm, both midterm and final, you need to complete it in one shot, right? You cannot pause it and then come back to it. That's not allowed. But you can retake it, right? If you're not happy with the first trial. Okay. So that's basically the course guide. And also, I recorded all the lecture videos and then PowerPoint. It's located right here, lecture videos, PPT. If you click on it, you're going to see it's organized by the chapters. Okay. Chapter 1, on a weekly basis, you log into Brightspace course, review the PowerPoint, and also the lecture videos beneath it. Right, this is the PowerPoint. You can download that. And then the second link beneath it is the YouTube videos, and feel free to use it, right? And then review the content. After that, once you review all these videos, you can start working on the homework assignments. And so everything has been posted here. Just follow this, follow the schedule closely, and yep, that's pretty much everything in this particular icon. If we go back, I also will post this introduction to Brightspace link in this particular location. Okay, I will post this video, link of YouTube video here. And yeah, also there's a shortcut to the Lunar Home platform. Just click on it, it takes you there. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything in our Brightspace course. And again, feel free to email me if you need assistance throughout the semester. I hope you enjoy the course.